Hello, very what? This is my oral presentation for English level 2. First of all, allowing to visit my set, my trip and set in Bogota. That a country about winter in Bogota. And recommendation if we got Bogota. Next start. This is me, I am Paula Andrea Parrao. I am 21 years old. I am was born in Calvario Meta. I am salad in Villavicencio Meta. I am student in Verimetric 1 Junior. I like reading. Okay. Let's continue with my trip experience in Bogota. In the honey holidays, we went for a walk with some friends in the city of Bogota. We excited with family members. We visited several key places in the city such as Bolivar Sucre, Montserrat, Botero Monks, and we were at the coffee fair that was organized every year in a road. Bogota job had beautiful. Please to meet we stayed our care. The weather in Bogota, the climate of Bogota is more good. So many clothes, the forest is unprecedented. The city has tropical climate, but the cool is accepted. What there is a rise of light there are sooner? Changing its temperature for this ratio, so move bed prepared for the cool, the south and the right. Recommendations. 1. It is recommended to take cover clothes. 2. This is important that they wear good sweaters. 3. Your no carry date of value. Since that city, she has affected with this. 4. It is good idea to add in the city workouts. Your coat will plant flags. 5. It is necessary to taste some delicious chocolate. 6. You cannot come with goat to this coffee fight. Start 3. What you should do if for your plan to go to Bogota. You should check the transportation, bricks and hotel 1. You are there and you notes you should miss the coffee fight and the different tourist places of Bogota. Recommendation. Visit the coffee fair, but do visit and place in Bogota. It is recommendation that a hat has put jacket for right, not to wicked or work to sit does not jet in the water on sunny days since Bogota has got a changed water condition. Thank you.